Hi there, Andrew Thompson from Precision Market Trading. Today we're looking at REA, realestate.com. Pains me to say this, but I think this is looking to be sold and even shorted. We've had very good results of this the last few months. You might remember one of my previous videos, we're looking to buy around here. I was on a big panic move and we held on all the way up through here. I got out a bit early, but we made very good profits here. But now I believe the time could be up. Looks like we got one of my favorite things, a double top. And that point there is the midpoint. And if we think the right hand top is it, part of a double top, then we look at the midpoint and we see if we see any time at that point. And I happen to have 388 degrees. I've gone about that number, quite a bit. 388 comes out a lot. It usually brings in sharp retracements. I've done a lot of research on it. I cannot find where it comes from. All I know is it works well. It also works very well in the US markets. So to shore up the double top, I have this time period at the moment. And from this middle top to Friday's top is 288 degrees, 2 times 144. Nothing need more be said. More ominously is this low to Friday's top. It's 439. That's 1440. 10 times 144. Go and have a look at low and CIMIC and a few other things and see what happens when that number comes up. So it's looking a bit iffy up here. And this little range up halfway through happens to be 50% of that 729, which is 2 times a circle. So a bit of caution warranted up here. This is just a bit of old work here. Down here, 2 times 233, my favorite. So this is a daily chart. Going to the weekly, top to top is 90 weeks. No, 90 weeks is obviously 5 days. It could be next week, 91 weeks. So, don't get too fussed over one point out here or there. But we got top to top around the 90 to 91 weeks with all this extra time here. So caution is warranted. Aggressive traders will be selling down the low down here. Property market, especially in Sydney and Melbourne, seems to be quietening down. Clearance rates are falling, prices are supposed to, though I believe that when I see it, falling. So this stock could be coming under pressure just when the real estate cycle peaks out. Something else I want to talk about, SGH, Slater and Gordon. What a debacle. We did a video a few months ago around this low, so there's reasonable time and price there. It's one of the few trades I didn't take on my own advice. I don't like this stock, never did. I just put some numbers up there as an example of what can be done, but it was strong time and price, and when that low is broken, it is time to get out, as you can see. When I post a video, you usually get very strong and long-term time and price, and when that pressure point is broken, it's usually going a lot lower or a lot higher if you're short. So this has been a debacle. Just for your information, the geniuses at Macquarie Bank have cut their guidance from $4.59 a share to $1. Deutsche Bank from $3.35 to $1.65. And UBS lowered its target from $2.80 to 90 cents. Well, these geniuses must be psychic because it's already down there and lower. It's now 69 cents. This is what happens when you follow someone else's advice. We don't have any skin in the game. Everything I do, apart from stocks like this, I buy. Next time your broker tells you to buy a dog like this, ask him how many he's got, because these people are incompetent. These people are highly paid, but if you got this advice in the hospital, you'd be dead within a week. So do your own work. Just as an aside, wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole, but it's panic low, 234 days, 233, yeah? So there's reason there for real aggressive or people who really like risking their money. But the amount of volume going through this market last few days has been huge. No one is interested in buying this stock at the moment. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. This will be one of these stocks that will drift down, keep going over time, and then just vanish, and it'll be taken over by the partners again at 20 cents. So I wouldn't touch it. Goodbye for now.